Right. So coming to this positioning an element. So positioning an element is we'll talk in three ways. That is fixed, relative, absolute. Directly, what I'll do is I'll just jump into the program so that you can understand clearly what actually this. So positioning the elements. Right. So what is the first one here? Uh, when you see the first one here, it talks about fixed position. We'll go to the example fixed position. See in the fixed position, what it will be talks about is fixed, absolute, relative. Fixed in the sense there is no change at all, and relative is nothing but as per the changes, it will be goes on changing. Absolute means exactly it will be set it. So a small variation is there between all these three types of positioning elements. We can fix the position onto the web page, or we can give absolute, or we can give the relative. Now relative is a small sort of changes we can do it. For fixed, it will fix the sizes. Now see in this example, we'll talk about the values. First value for the position at property is fixed. Now what we are fixing is bottom 10 pixel, right is 5 pixel. For example, this is the entire page. If you are considering as the entire page, I'll just talk about the page. If you consider this as a page, if you are considering any one color, if you consider this as a page over here, or else I'll take red color. If you consider enter this as a page, right? When you consider this one, what they are saying, position is fixed, bottom is 10 pixel. Bottom is what? This is bottom, right? This is top. This is right for the page, and this is left. Now bottom 10 pixel in the sense from here 10 pixels, 10 px. Okay, from here. Now right is 5 pixel. From right it is a 10, 5 pixels. So bottom is a 10 pixels, right is 5 pixels. Now here we are setting a position as fixed. This is the position. Now to whom you are going to be applying this bottom 10 pixels and this, to whom you are going to be applying on this particular, it is a position is fixed. Now to whom you are going to applying here is, here I am just using an anchor tag for feedback.html. Now I am inserting an image over here, an image here, an image we are going to using. For this an image, the name of the image is go.jpg. So I'm just applying this class, the position fixed. What is the name of the class here is pos underscore fixed, right? So position fixed we are going to applying over here. Now what is the style I am going to applying here is the height is 40 pixel, the image height is 40 pixel, width is 60 pixel. Now this is the text I'm going to applying for this. And next one more, we are considering one more image desert.jpg. So here at the bottom of the page we are the image showing arrow mark to this one. So this is normal. So this is, we are applying a position for this image. For this we are not applying any position. Now let me see whether how the program will look like. I'm just already it is saved. This is the program. Now when you see this in the bottom 10 pixels and right here, if you are observing in the bottom, in this one you are towards right, there is a go.jpg image. Here I am adding. So this is the position we are setting. But for this image, for this desert.jpg image, we are not setting any positions. So by default, wherever it is comes, like as per the flow sequence, it will comes that image. But this image, go image, exactly right bottom here, right bottom, go is there, right? So this is the position we'll set. This is a fixed one. When I click this one, I have mapped to what? I have mapped to one of the example. That is, when I click this one, feedback.html will be open. So instead of feedback.html, I have backend one HTML page. That is what is, yeah, marquee.html. We'll replace with marquee, marquee, marquee.html. Okay. So when I click go, it will open marquee.html. When I click this go, it will open marquee.html. So that is about the fixed one. Now, while coming to the next absolute. When coming to the absolute, next topic is absolute. Sorry, relative here, right? When coming to the relative, open the relative of this. Okay. Now in this relative, what we can do is we can make some, when you call position value is relative, automatically it will make some sort of small changes, adjustments, automatically make some adjustments over there. Left, I'm going to be displaying as -20, and I'm taking one more class called as position underscore right. The left is 20 pixels. This is a minus. Minus means what? It will goes towards left. Positive means what? It goes towards right, right? So I'm taking a property left and -20 pixels, left plus 20 pixels. Now I'm applying for this. So H1 paragraph is normal. For this paragraph, class is position left. For this position left, paragraph is moved towards px left with respect to the normal position. This position right, the paragraph is moved 20 pixels right with respect to the normal position. Now just run the program and see that. See, this is two normal steps. After this is a -20. So towards left it is going, from right to left it is moving. So this is left plus 20 pixel. So towards right it is moving. So this is how we can make some relatively another values. So if you want to change the values, see for example, here also when you keep as 20 pixels, what happen? Here also if you please make it sure of 20 pixels, I just refresh. What happened? See, I'll open this program. Right. Now for this left, plus 21. I'll refresh. See, both are same. Because the positions are same, but how? Because it is a relative. Relative means what? One after the other. It is not overlapping. Even though this line you are going to using left is 20 pixel, this also using is a 20 pixel, but the position you are going to using as a relative. Because of that, one after the other, it will be displayed over there. So that is the purpose of relative. But when you call it as fixed one, it will be not make sure. So see, when I use as fixed, for this also, let me see what will happen. When you use fixed, what happens? It is overlapping. Are you observing? See the overlapping. It is totally overlapping to each other. Are you observing here? So this is here overlapping because both are fixed. So if one you make relative, one you make fixed, let me see the output. So one after the other, little bit at least, right? So that's fine. The relative and fixed are both are different. Now see the output, one after the other. So if you are using minus here, it will go like this. Okay. Now next one is absolute. Absolute we'll talk about. Let me see the program for absolute as well. In the absolute, position is absolute. Now in this program, I am creating a class called as absolute one, which is a position is absolute. Left is 100 pixel, top is 150 pixel. Left means what? Total entire page, left side is 100 pixel. Top 150 pixel. I'm using another class called as absolute 2. The left is 10 pixels and top is 50 pixels, right? So both the positions are absolute in nature. Now here class equal to absolute 1. I'm using for this. This is a heading with absolute position. And here I'm going to using absolute true and applying a image called as tz. So this image is applying a class called as absolute 2, where the left position is 10 pixel, top position is 50. But for this absolute one, left position is how much? 150, sorry 100, and top value is 150. Now again, without applying any classes, without applying any position, I'm just displaying. This is my paragraph like this, a 15 lines of text I'm displaying. Now see that I'll run the program so that you can understand clearly. See, this is the output. So this is my paragraph, is a normal text, and this is the heading absolute. Left is how much? It is 100 pixels. Left means from here, it is 100 pixel from here. Now top is how much? From top, it is 150. But what about the image? Image left is here, left is, it is showing the pixels for left is what? In the class 2, 10 pixels. And top is what? 50 pixels. Right? So top is 50 pixels. So that's why absolutely exactly it will display over there. It not be overlap, it is overwriting over on top of that. So it will be take care by absolute. So relative is automatically will be adjust. Fixed means there is no change at all. It will be overwrite to one another or overlap to another. Absolute means exact position that will display. But which one has to display? Whether this has to display or this has to display means absolutely to whom it is applicable, this will become first and text will comes behind. So when you observe in the word, we can have, when you right click the images, bring front, bring backward, or front, like this we have some options, right? The same fashion here also the positions, we'll talk in the 3 types of positions: relative, absolute, and the fixed. Okay. And the next topic under this is floating. So floating, already we have discussed many programs in the floating. Hope we have discussed like how the floating values will be mentioning over there, right? So if you want one more example, already we have discussed in the floating as well, right? Floating of left, floating right, we have floating none, like this we have seen the example last time. So that's about the topic: display property, positioning an element, and floating an element using CSS. So the supporting document for this with programs already have linked this, all the examples here with example how the output, the description of each property I have explained clearly in this documentation. So please go through the documentation for more details over there.